Perfect daw ang timing ng inilabas na rendition ni Gary Valenciano ng kantang Blessings kasama ang kanyang pamangkin na si RJ De La Fuente. Habang ang award-winning film na Song of the Fireflies mapapanood na po sa mga sinihan sa bansa starting today. Yan at ang iba pa sa report na ito. Matapos ang paglipad sa International Film Festival, ngayong araw na ang homecoming sa mga sinihan sa Pilipinas ng internationally acclaimed film na Song of the Fireflies. Bida si Asia's Phoenix Morissette bilang si Ma'am Alma Taldo, ang guro sa likod ng Lobok Children's Choir ng Bohol. Sa direksyon ni King Palisok at musika mula kina Ryan Cayabyab, Louie Ocampo at Raymond Marasigan.
Me to trust in you.
From Warrior as a Child hanggang Take Me Out of the Dark noong lockdown. Ngayon naman, may bagong rendition ng healing song na Blessings, iconic OPM star at Idol Kids Philippines judge, Gary V. Kasama niya rito ang pamangkin na si RJ De La Fuente.
The timing with everything that's been going on, it's that the timing is couldn't have been any more perfect.
I guess it's just God's perfect timing.
Nakafocus din ngayon si Gary sa pagsabak muli bilang judge sa Idol Kids Philippines. Asa Lolo Gary raw ang atake niya rito sa judging.
I always like communicating with the kids, like with my apo now, with Leia. We have a psychologist there, a child psychologist that's there. Na kailangan talaga. The advantage is because they're young, they have many opportunities pa in the future.
Mapapanood ang Idol Kids Philippines soon sa TV5.